Hello friends, good evening one and all. This welcome to Sai Krishna Seko. Hope all you are having a great weekend, great evening. You are having a great evening and great weekend. Hope you so enjoy your time. Friends, today's topic is about animals. Animals. We know that human beings are the biggest animals and the first animals because we had origin through orangutans and chimpanzees, whatever. From there to here, mankind. Friends, always you observe animals, right? You can learn a lot of things, like from an ant to a dinosaur. Great quality of an animal is it always keeps hunting. Hunting in the sense is not only to eat, not only to earn, but it's to run in a madness when nobody is with the animal, or even if it is the herd, it can survive itself. It runs for the glory, it runs for fighting. That spirit should be there. That's what sometimes misses in some individuals, some human beings. That's why we have some only legends. You ask legends, they will tell you, we never ever settle in our lives. There is no word called settle, by the way. What is settle? I don't understand. There is no assurance that you will have 100 years of happiness. Every day is a fight. Every day you have everything. Even although if you are rich, poor, you have job, you don't have job, anything. If you don't have that hunting mentality, right? Even you can't achieve anything in your life. You ask any hunter, individuals, legends, whoever have been successful in their respectful fields, they say, I never rest. That's the best thing. And even mind will be active, friends. Even if you are an employee, you go to job, you come to work, then do something, spend 1 hour on your skills. That skill will go into talents. Weekend. You enjoy your weekend if you are passionate about some cricket, football, anything, whatever you like. That and second, like that, you can inculcate any of your quality. And second thing to learn from animal is to be like a rebel. Rebellism is not that only you go and you go quarrel with everybody. It's the guts and it's the stamina to live alone, to believe in himself when no other person believe in you, to do something big, to be strong in life, to answer all the questions of life and to stay strong above all. You see, in a small ant never stops. Ant is like a biggest example of hard work. Since from our childhood, our teachers, our lecturers would have taught us in many ways. Like, you have to be an ant, you have to be a lion, you have to be something. They give only examples of animals because animals don't have the tent mindset to settle. They always be rebel, as I said. Being a rebel, no matter it's a domestic or anything, you have to be a rebel. Third thing is the judgments. And you see any animal, wild or it is domestic, it never judges anything. What it knows is genuinely loving people, caring for them. But we human beings are so, what to tell, can't use good words here. We are so geniuses that we judge people on the money, on their education, on their qualification, so many perspectives. What they know, are they bigger than us, ego, everything. Because we in the mind have this tendency of judging others. You play with a dog, play with a cat, you play with a monkey, you play with a tiger, you play with a lion, you play with a chimpanzee, you play with a dolphin, you play with a bird. I bet you it always loves you. The moment it sees, it comes for you. I have never seen a dog asking whether you are educated, barking differently if you are educated, uneducated, you are rich, poor, your qualification, whatever it is, whatever you are doing it is. That's why how genius and how genuine the animals are. Whenever you have time, kindly go to zoos, wildlife sanctuaries, be in a forest. you will enjoy what love is. You will really feel how great it is, because in a society you will never get that feeling. Even let it be office, let it be college, let it be school, let it be any place of your workplace, you always find, why are the people like this? That's what is the humankind mentality. Because we expect from others. Animals never expect from others. Never ever they expect from others. And third point, enjoying the moments. Many of us don't do that. We plan. We forget to enjoy moments. See ants, see tigers, see lions, see chimpanzees, see dolphins. Beautiful. Dolphins are the best. And that's why they feel to spend time with animals and pets. Just to show how happy they live. Till the day they die, they live happily. Let it be a dog, let it be a fish in an aquarium if you have. Let it be a bird. Not only it can be parrot, any pet. See how great the time is when you spend with them. Of course, you will know how beautiful the life is. Full of tension, what happens next, what happens tomorrow, what happens day after tomorrow. That and all is never in our hands, right? What is in our hands is the live moments, whatever we have. Spend time with your family, do something big, do something. If not doing something big, think about others. If you can do something for others, please do that. Be happy at the end of the day. That's the moral, right? That's why whenever you go to the zoo or any new place, if you see animals, our mind and heart get beautiful exercised, to be honest. You see a lion, you see a tiger, the stripes of the tiger, a bear, anything, feel so happy, because we ourselves are animals, right? So this animal connects to that animal. So what we have to learn in life is to be brave, be a rebel, don't depend on anything, be running and hunting like a fool. That's what makes you a champion. A normal citizen to a champion. When you hunt, you stay foolish, stay hungry. Told by the great Steve Jobs. Because many people, animal does not, and one more quality of an animal is it does not expect any love from others. Like, it does not expect anything. Like, we sometimes feel that why are these people not loving me? Why are these people thinking about me? The same thing what I told. It never ever thinks about others. Did you see a lion stop roaring as people stop yelling at it? Or start roaring if people are, for example, like screaming and hitting at it? It does whatever it likes. That's the best quality what human beings should have. It has self-confidence at peaks. That's why lions are the best. Any animal, elephant, cuckoo bird, peacock especially, it enjoys each and every moment of life. Not that thinking about others and keeping yourself into some box or inferior, something and all. That's not the right way. And at the last is to be at the moment. Be waiting for that one moment. Like, for example, lion is called a king of the jungle, and a croc is called king of the lake, monster of the lake. Because you see, generally it's very, very patient and very, very silent. But the moment it attacks, the moment it creates something, the moment the lion yells in a zoo or a forest, the whole animals just keep quiet. Because lion does not hunt regularly. It knows the movement. That's what we have to learn from that. We have to speak at the right moment. Without actions in the right moment, it's useless having 100 tons of power or a six-pack or family pack. Whatever it is. Be a rebel. Be big. Be happy. Okay. Thank you so much for having your time with me. I will come back with a good topic again. Hope all of you having a great weekend. Be happy, and wish you a speedy recovery if you have been affected by COVID-19. Be cool in the hard times. Let's all fight it together. And Be happy. Thank you. Signing off. This is Sai Krishna Seko. Bye bye. Have a great day. Thank you.